Morning travelers, we had a great night's sleep last night in this Airbnb. Today we're gonna go down to Sleeping Bear Dunes, National Lakeshore, which is a little west of here, and we're gonna meet up with our friends again if y'all watched the last video. Yes?
I got a music from my back.
Alright, eat it up and fill that belly. You ready to go to the dunes?
Yes, my water cup.
Oh my goodness.
You see this? The water
Here,
cup.
go bring that to sister. This is what it's like whenever you're getting ready to go on a trip with kids.
So Beckett is learning how to trace dots to make people's names.
There's the dunes. So there's a dune climb here that we're gonna try and do. And then after that, there is a Scenic Drive that we may go and check out too. So there's the dunes.
Oh
We're
boy.
gonna climb up there. You ready?
Yeah.
And there's a beach on the other side. It's like 54 degrees today or something like that. Steps on the dune. It's actually not as steep as the ones that we did yesterday at Warren Dunes.
It will, and the sand doesn't slide as much.
Yeah. You got it, little man? You're doing a good job. Dang, Jacques is good at this. He's almost all. Watch out for plants behind you, Amelia. He's all the way up there. Definitely came on a great day. Pretty out there. Wow. Knuckle prints and fingerprints. And look, there's even more top over there. Is there a beach up here yet? Where's the beach? So we made it up the first part. It gets kind of flat right here. Then you can either go up there or go up there. Jacques leading the way, straight ahead. I'm hungry. That's all we ever hear out of him. You ready?
This is the last year we're doing this.
The last year we're doing dunes?
No, last year I'm doing Beckett on my back.
Yeah.
Why would you think it'd be the last year we're doing this?
I don't know. That's why I was confused. Almost to the top. What do we see? Alright, we're on the flat part in the middle. I think this is the kind of main trail. There's a bunch of like little trails you can take up the dunes and whatnot, but it may be further than we think. What I'm thinking is that Scenic Drive is gonna be the best way to get to the beach. I don't know if we're gonna climb this or not. Check out Mom's stamina. You got it, Mom? Let's get up this one and then we'll evaluate. You're gonna run down since Mom's carrying you up?
Yeah.
And her back is starting to hurt?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm counting on you to live up to your word. Huh?
no.
What?
No.
No what?
No, I'm going down.
My head hurts. It does?
Yeah.
You need water?
Stop and drink water, yeah.
Here, I can get it out for you.
So hard.
There you go.
Oh,
That's your muscles. Just to start?
Well, we've been doing dunes for several days.
Yeah, we've been doing climbing dunes a lot. Remember yesterday at Warren Dunes? You climbed up and down and up and down.
Oh my gosh, it's not that bad.
That's called a leg workout.
We need to do more exercise at home.
We can do it. We believe in ourselves. I am strong.
Yay!
I am brave.
Yay!
Sandy.
I am happy.
Yay!
I am Sandy.
Yay!
I am healthy.
Yeah!
And I can do anything. Anytime. Anywhere. Even on the sand dunes. I can do this.
But I must conquer this now!
I got this. Oh wow. Should take a family picture up here. This might be our Michigan picture. Well, there's more dunes. Let's run! Go, go, go! Keep going, keep going! Whoa, up, go, go, go! Beckett's gonna win. He's gonna beat you to the top. Who's gonna win? You doing a crazy run? Crazy run. All right, Beckett, let's go. She said we're almost to the level part. 1, 2, 3, beat Bubba. Beat him. Go, go. You can win. You can do it.
Oh no!
I believe in you.
No!
You got it. Come on. You're right there. Go, go, go. You got it.
Oh no!
Oh, Bubba won. Are you gonna get second or am I gonna get second? I'm right behind you. I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh, you're just too fast. You're so fast. Ah, you won.
Made out! More dunes!
More dunes. Aren't you so excited?
And then we can go to the beach.
You want to go to the beach?
Yeah, and now we have to go run down.
Okay.
To the beach! Go! There are more dunes.
Yay! Here we are in the sand dunes. We have two tired humans. They are tired of walking the sand dune, but the mama just walks right by, paying no mind to the cubs who just sit here waiting for their ride. How long will the cubs wait? Till the sun is blazing outside and they start to sweat and they need to find a watering hole. Oh, the cub is up. He's up and running. He has enough stamina to reach his mother.
Something interesting now happening.
The cub is using his 2 feet to run across the sand. He is an expert runner as he crawls and climbs his way. Oh, the little cub crashes and hits the sand, but he gets right back up, and here he goes. Oh no, he falls again. And the two cubs are back with their mama as the brother.
I'm not a cub.
As the brother cub has already summited the dune. It's almost like you've married David Attenborough.
What? That's crazy.
Snack time in the shade. You're tired. You just climbed with a toddler on your back. And the mama handed the baby cub his snack. It comes in a box. She foraged the forest for a box of these dried fruits. And the cub simply pours the fruit into his mouth. All right. And he eats. Let's be quiet while he eats so he doesn't get distracted. The juvenile cub is tired. She's taking off her pack. She needs a rest after the long climb. As the mother bear goes to find the mother bear. The mother human goes to find the middle brother human.
The middle brother human? What is that?
He's in the middle.
Goes off to find the middle brother.
Chuck! I see him. Come back!
And the family goes back down the dunes and returns to their adventure mobile. Right, Jack? No.
The terrain is long and tough. They must dig their feet into the sand, the cold, wet sand, as they try not to trip. The juvenile cub has gotten cold. She found this garment around her waist and she put it on to protect herself from the cold winds that blow across the treacherous sand dunes.
Yeah, you're making this like really
You want to do a Junior Ranger book?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. Hopefully they have a sticker here too. Oh no, we gotta remember our camp. Oh.
How is it possible that we had so many uphills on the way
Uh-huh.
and so many uphills back?
Because you're going up and down and up and down. Go! Go, Becky, go, Becky, go! I think I'm a fast walk. You can run though. See if you can beat Beckett. Amelia wins. We did it. We made it back to the Adventure Mobile. I saw a little Dune Center building, so we're gonna check that out, see if there's a Junior Ranger badge there. And we're all gonna use the bathroom. All right, everyone use the bathroom. Found this Dune Center. We're gonna go see what's inside. Hello.
Junior Ranger books. You have to go to the visitor center.
Okay. That's all right.
Made it over here yet?
What's it? That's a postcard. You wanna go with this one?
Sure.
You like that one, Beckett? Calm down, calm down, calm down. You wanna go give it to the lady and we'll check out?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Go give it to her. Can you put it up on the counter right there? Thank you so much. You don't have a passport stamp in here, do you?
Yeah, it's right. There's a table right down there.
Okay, great. Thank you. $3.17. They have a what?
A washing station up there. We wash our shoes.
I think I'm good. You need to wash yours?
Kind of sandy.
I'm gonna put it right about here. There. That look good?
Yep.
Go and get a Junior Ranger book. And we're gonna do our passport stamp. Then we're gonna go to lunch. And the kids are gonna work on their Junior Ranger book. And we're gonna go do the Scenic Drive. Come on, let's go. Look, right here, passport stamp. There's only one stamp.
I want to
So
stamp.
y'all do it together.
1, 2, 3. There's only one.
There's only one. Need to go right here, behind this guy, Amelia, for a Junior Ranger book.
Junior Ranger book.
How many would you like?
You want to do one? 3.
Have you had them before?
We have, yeah.
Okay.
Thank y'all so much.
Total is $6.35.
$6.35, okay. There you go, big man. Tell her thank you. Got him a book, $6.35, because he wants to learn about bugs. Becca got a little extra book. We're gonna go down to the Shipwreck Cafe, and we're gonna meet up with our friends there so we can have some lunch with them, and then I think we're gonna all go do the Scenic Drive together, hopefully. After that, probably a nap is gonna be in order after all that climbing. Busy reading your book?
Yeah.
You looking at all the bugs?
The bug.
Mm-hmm.
I have spiders in there.
I see that.
How cute.
It's so cool, huh? Go on inside.
Have beach on Fridays and Saturdays.
Ah. That was $50.03. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Bless us, O Lord, and these thy gifts which we're about to receive from thy bounty through Christ our Lord. Amen. Does that look amazing? What'd you get, bud?
Grilled cheese just like bacon.
Ah, it's kind of like a pizza crust, cheese. It's good, yeah. What all did you get?
Fitzgerald,
Fitzgerald. What's all on it?
turkey, Havarti, herb mayo, cucumbers, and tomato.
Just what you needed. Let's see what this soup tastes like. This is the white chicken chili. Got beans. That's good. All right. Well, it looks like everybody has some leftovers for tomorrow. Perfect. Watching them eat again.
I think they were starving.
Uh-huh.
Bite. Got a bite? And you get a bite. So you missed your bite. Here. Try it. Go bite.
Do you even taste it?
I know, it's like you think they're starving. Bite. Oh, you almost had that whole one.
You want your
Head out the window. That would be hilarious.
I would definitely do it that way.
All right, lunch was a success. We met up with our friends and we're gonna go do the Scenic Drive together. All right, this is the Scenic Drive. Covered Bridge, stop number 1. That's in your book.
Oh, this is a deciduous forest.
Yeah. How are you? Hi. Hi. They all come. That's hilarious. All right, so we're at stop number 3, which is the Dune Overlook. So let's go see how much we can see. See the dunes?
Yeah. Alright, so it has the difference between the ocean and the lake. So the lake is like split into sections and is smaller, and the ocean is big.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What else?
That's it.
What about waves? Do you see waves on the lake?
Nope.
Do you see waves at an ocean?
Yes.
Yeah. That's the parking lot down there where we were earlier. And we're not too sure if this is what we hiked or not. We see some people right up there. And we definitely came up this way. Huh. That's pretty cool. This is the Lake Michigan overlook. So this outlook is up some sand. Come on, big man. Go, 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 go. This is the lake. The literature said to not miss this view. That's beautiful. You gotta hold Mama's hand, Beckett, okay? Wow. Is that crazy?
Oh yeah, right there, there's a boat.
You see the boat?
Yeah.
Wow. All right, I think the last of their Junior Ranger stuff is right up this way, so we're gonna go finish it out. Go, go, go! Bonk! All right, this is the last overlook that I think we're gonna see on this Scenic Drive, so let's go check it out. Got it?
We're done with that one.
Perfect. Done and done. With that one. Hey guys, we took some late naps. Krista made a delicious dinner. It's already all picked up. And Beckett slept till 5 o'clock. So we're gonna go to a park. We're gonna watch the sunset. The kids are gonna play on the playground and burn a lot of energy so that we can go to bed. How does that sound?
Good.
All right.
Not the bed part.
What?
Not the bed part. I want to replace that with a movie.
Well, I think you're gonna be exhausted because you already watched a movie today. So this is Bryant Park. It's got a little beach area and they have a giant playground. Doing some excavating. Dig it. Gotta go down. There you go. Scraping against the cement. It's time to go. Let's go. Put down the excavator. To the adventure mobile. Well, that was a nice sunset. Me and Krista still need to kind of figure out what we want to do tomorrow. We might be changing plans because we don't want to drive too much. But there's some cool places that we want to find a lighthouse. So we might be doing that tomorrow. That'll be exciting. If you guys want to see some of that, click that video right there on the screen and we'll see y'all in that video. Thank y'all for watching and go travel somewhere.